guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is a bingo palette video, and I'm going to work with Profusion's Mirage Palette. I do love this palette. It took me forever to get this palette. I do have a video on this palette, so I will make sure I put the card up there for you guys, or for me, is it this side? Oh well. But there will be a card up there so you can see and everything else. But I really do like this palette. I have not played with it, and hopefully I can make a spring look out of this, but I probably won't be because how the colors are. But these colors are really beautiful, and you can do an everyday look with this. You can make it sparkly, you can make it whatever you want to do, of course. But I want to get more of these palettes because these palettes are so beautiful. I definitely want all of them. I want festival, I want everything from the palette. But I decided, let's do a bingo palette with this. So they do have mattes, they do have pigments, shimmers and glitter, and pressed glitter I should say, but you can tell which ones are pressed glitter and not pressed glitter. But I'm very excited. So we gonna have already did my part of my face, did my contour, my eyebrows, my base basically. The only thing I did not do is just my blush and everything else. But we're gonna have a generator number right here. So I do have 1 through 35. So I'll pick 5 eyeshadows, and yeah. So I need to get a pencil so I shall remember which one they are, and we'll just go through the numbers and then see what coordinates that. Yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, got me a piece of paper and a pen. I should have done that when I was getting ready, but okay. So the first number is 25. That's the first number. The second number is 26. 22. Okay, that's a lot of things in the 20. So hang on. So I'm trying to 28. Okay. Then it's 30. Okay. 25, 26, 22, 28, and 30. Okay then. Weird combination. But let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right here. And next is, this is Danger. So I know which color I can. Here, and it says Dawn. 27, 28. Okay, it's this color right here. And this one's called Marbella. Hang on. Marbella? Yeah, Marbella. Okay. See, it's this taupe color, and it's chai. So we get Danger, Flame, Dawn, Marbella, and chai. So this is gonna be interesting colors combinations, but yeah. So I'm gonna put some eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use Milani, and yeah. So weird, but you know what? That's why this is bingo palette, because I don't mind doing bingo palettes because actually it helps me to pick out different colors that usually don't work or would work. So maybe one day I'll get most of my palettes that I have and just scan them all and just use them that way. Just gotta remember which palette goes with what. But yeah, so I'm gonna just set the eye and see what I come up with. I'm definitely gonna use Chai as the crease, so that's my first color right there, because it's really not like these colors too, is that these are very pigmented, as you can see. And Marmalade is that nice brick red color. I'm just kind of warming that brown up some. As you can see, it really does. And the out of V, so we're gonna use this. It's not this shimmer, but it's okay. Like I said, this is such a weird color combination that I probably wouldn't even thinking of using together, because they're so different. But that's the palette. That's why I don't mind using these kind of palette. I actually do like that. It didn't have much of a fallout to it, so that wouldn't be no problem. The next one is Flame. It's that really bright color. So we're going to use that Flame, that bright. Sorry, I got the borders here. And we're gonna like I said, this is such a weird it's such a weird color combination all together. Dude, love these new brushes. I'm ready to go. If you haven't seen that video where I tried out new products that he gave me, you should go and watch that, because that's really Okay, 20 is really Dawn. It is that pretty color right here. I think I'm going to use that in the inner corner. Here you go. The inner corner of that. Then that will be finishing the eye look, and I will finish my face. So we're going to be using. I'm going to use this. So And then I would actually, I'm gonna do something. We're gonna be doing shimmer color right here. Alrighty, so I'm gonna finish my eye, and I think I'm gonna put eyeliner on it, and then finish everything, and we'll be right back with the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I finally finished it. The eyeliner will never be the same. I tried. I give up. Yeah, I really like this look. Definitely different from what I was gonna do, but that's why I don't mind trying out different looks. One thing I did not do was set my face. So guess what? Be doing right on camera. Set that up. Use my little trusty thing. My hair's a little bit wet, but I do like it. Nice little subtle blush. I like using too much blush. This is how I roll on that, but like a little bit more of that, and yeah. So if you do like this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see these kind of videos, finger palette videos, let me know. So I know, so I can do a playlist and everything else. Don't forget to subscribe that button right there to see more looks like this and videos like this. And also, I'm trying. My battery just died on me. So I'm trying to figure out the name for that bunny. So she'll be a little friend, just like the cats. So yeah. So also, don't hit the notification bell so you'll be notified any new videos. To upload every Monday and every Thursday. All the time's always different, so I still set anything. But yeah, I do like this look. Perfect for spring, I believe. Nice pink and all of that. I wish my lip liner or lip stuff would help it, but you know what?